So imagine this. Your Linux Mint system is starting to feel off. Maybe things look broken, settings aren't sticking, or it just doesn't feel as smooth as it used to. But at the same time, you don't want to delete everything and start from zero. That's where this method comes in. This is not a full reset. You're not wiping your system. You're just clearing out the parts that usually cause problems while keeping your personal files exactly where they are. So nothing in your documents, downloads, or desktop is touched. Now, the first thing you're doing here is refreshing your desktop environment. Over time, your desktop settings can get messy. Panels move, themes glitch, shortcuts stop working properly. Instead of trying to fix each little thing, you simply bring everything back to its default state. The moment you do this, your desktop feels clean again, like it just came out of a fresh install. But your files are still there. Nothing is lost. Now, if your system still feels weird after that, this is where things get more interesting. Every app you use on Linux stores its own settings behind the scenes. These are small hidden files that slowly build up over time, and sometimes they break. Instead of hunting down which one is causing the issue, you take a smarter approach. You clear all of them at once. What happens next is actually kind of cool. The next time you open your apps, they rebuild their settings from scratch. So everything feels fresh again, like you just installed those apps for the first time. And again, your personal files stay untouched. Now, let's go a step further. Your system also collects unused packages and leftover updates and removed apps. These don't always cause problems, but they can slow things down or create small conflicts, so you clean all of that out. This step is like clearing clutter from your system. It doesn't change how things look, but it makes everything run a bit smoother and more stable. Now here's the part most people don't think about, but it's actually one of the most powerful tricks. Instead of fixing your current user, you create a brand new one. Just a fresh user account, nothing fancy. Then you log out and log back in using that new account. And instantly, everything feels brand new. No broken settings, no weird bugs, no leftover configs. It's like using Linux Mint for the first time again, but your original files are still sitting safely in your old account. You can even go back and copy anything you need later. And if everything works perfectly in this new account, you can decide to keep it and remove the old one whenever you feel comfortable. So now, you've got a complete reset experience without actually reinstalling your system. You saved time, you kept your data, and you fixed most of the common issues people run into. And honestly, once you understand this approach, you realize something important. On Linux, you don't always need to start over. You just need to reset the right things. And when you do that, your system feels new again without the pain of a full reinstall.